Hello everyone, so if you want to set up the Do Not Disturb mode on your Huawei Watch GT4, first of all, let's activate our watch by pressing on the crown. Now, swipe down from the top of your screen to open up your quick settings menu, and here you'll see your Do Not Disturb mode. Simply tap on it, confirm your choice, and now it is available. Now it is availed and nothing will go through it. However, if you want to adjust it, let's press the Chrome button again. Now let's locate our menu, settings. So open up our settings. Now you are to find your sound and vibrations tab. Let's look for it. Here it is. And here find your Do Not Disturb mode. So here you can see the settings of it. For example, we can turn it off for all day. All right, so to turn it off, simply tap on the switch, and we can make it scheduled. So tap here, you can start, you can choose when to start. For example, we want to start it at midnight and we want it to end at 7 a.m. Now we are to choose when to repeat it. So for example, let's repeat it on days Mondays through Fridays. When you're satisfied with your choice, press OK. Once again, press OK, and simply enable it by tapping on the switch near it. And that's it. Also, you can add up some more timings for that, right? To turn off your Do Not Disturb mode, you can do this in two ways, or you can do it here if it's turned on permanently, or you can do it through your settings. So open up your sound and vibrations tab, Do Not Disturb mode once again, and simply turn it off by tapping on the switch. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.